Welcome to Romanific. Ever wondered if you can explore 3 iconic cities, Rome, Vatican, and Berlin, in just 24 hours? It sounds impossible, but with our carefully planned itinerary, we'll show you how to make the most of your time. From ancient history in Rome to the bustling streets of Berlin, this guide will help you plan your ultimate whirlwind day across Europe. Ready to dive in? Let's go! We start our journey from Rome, the Italian capital. To begin with, we head to the Colosseum and Roman Forum. The key to maximizing your day is starting early. Arrive at the Colosseum by 6 a.m. Make sure to pre-book your tickets online so you can skip the lines. With a 45-minute guided tour, you'll get to see one of the most iconic landmarks in the world without losing precious time. Afterward, head to the nearby Roman Forum, which is just a 10-minute walk from the Colosseum. Spend about 45 minutes wandering through the ancient ruins, soaking in the history of the Roman Empire. Remember to download offline maps of Rome so you can navigate the city quickly and carry minimal baggage for ease. Pre-book your tickets and check for skip-the-line options for both the Colosseum and Vatican Museums. Next, we head to the Pantheon. Take a quick 20-minute walk or a short taxi ride to the Pantheon, a Roman temple that stood the test of time. Plan to spend around 20 minutes inside. Marvel at the beautiful dome, and don't forget to look up at the famous oculus. By mid-morning, head to Vatican City at around 11 a.m. It's time to explore the historic Vatican. The quickest way to travel is by taxi or Uber from the Pantheon, which will take around 15 minutes. If you're traveling on a budget, the Metro Line A can get you there in about 20 minutes. Once in the Vatican, start at St. Peter's Basilica. Aim to spend about 30 minutes here. For a spectacular view of Rome, you can climb to the top of the dome for panoramic views. Next, head to the Vatican Museums. This is where pre-booked tickets really come in handy, as the lines can be long. You'll want to spend about 45 minutes exploring, with your final stop being the Sistine Chapel. Take some time to admire Michelangelo's frescoes before wrapping up your visit. To save time, book a combination ticket for St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums to streamline your visit. By this time, you'll feel hungry and might need some time to recharge yourself. But since time is tight, opt for a quick lunch at one of the Vatican's nearby cafes. You can grab a classic Italian sandwich or a simple pasta dish like cacio e pepe to refuel. Keep the lunch break under 30 minutes to stay on schedule. Check for cafes around Borgo Pio, which offer fast yet authentic meals close to Vatican City. By afternoon, travel from Rome to Berlin. After lunch, make your way to Fiumicino Airport. The airport is a 30 to 40-minute drive from Vatican City, so allow enough time to get there. Pre-book a direct flight from Rome to Berlin Brandenburg Airport. This will take around 2 hours. Book an afternoon flight for around 3 p.m., so you arrive in Berlin by 5 p.m. Remember to pre-arrange your transportation to the airport to avoid any last-minute delays. On the flight, take advantage of the time to recharge. Since you've been on your feet all day, use the travel time to rest, hydrate, and review your Berlin itinerary. By late afternoon, you'll arrive in Berlin. Once you land at Berlin-Brandenburg Airport, take a taxi or express train to get downtown, which should take about 30 minutes. If possible, pre-book transportation to save even more time. Kick off your Berlin adventure with a visit to Brandenburg Gate. This iconic landmark is just a short distance from the Reichstag. You'll want to allocate about 30 to 40 minutes for both spots. The Reichstag's glass dome offers panoramic views of the city, but it's best to pre-register online if you plan to enter. Next, head over to the Berlin Wall for a quick but meaningful visit. You'll need about 30 minutes to walk along the preserved section of the wall and reflect on its historical significance. For dinner, dive into Berlin's famous Currywurst. Street vendors and kiosks are scattered around the city, so you won't have trouble finding one. If you have extra time, explore some of the other local favorites like bratwurst, or try the city's trendy international food scene. Head to Curry 36 or similar spots known for authentic, fast Berlin street food. By this point, it's probably nearing 10 p.m. To finish your adventure, explore the hip district of Kreuzberg, known for its nightlife and street art. Enjoy a drink at one of the cool bars, or just soak in the lively atmosphere. You can also check out some late-night cafes to wind down your whirlwind 24-hour journey. And there you have it, 3 cities in just 24 hours: Rome, Vatican, and Berlin. This itinerary lets you see the best each city has to offer in a single day, from ancient landmarks to modern history. While it's a fast-paced adventure, it's one you'll never forget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting trips from Romanific. See you on the next adventure.